just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. That work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just get...
I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one got blasted in this left front corner, destroyed the radiator support, as well as this whole corner here. I'm gonna go ahead and roughly pull this out just to bring all the damage out, and then I'll go ahead and start cutting this one apart and get the radiator support and everything cut out. So if you notice here, this piece fishes back behind this plate right here. And it turns out Honda actually has a procedure where they actually have you fold this out just like I did right here. You just drill a few welds out and bend it outward. and then I can get to those welds. So there's just 2 welds inside of there, it looks like, or 3 of them actually. So, and then I'll fold that back closed whenever I get the new piece all finished up. You might be wondering why I separated this piece off of the strut tower. Reason being is they actually sell this 2 different ways. You could buy these parts individually, or you could buy it as a unit. I'm honestly not sure why we got it as a full unit. My guess is it was cheaper to buy as a full unit than buy each piece separately, but either way, it would get welded in the same way. If we had just bought this part, I would still have to drill these holes the same way. So it really doesn't make any difference. So if I would have tried to put it in as a full unit with the strut tower, it would have been way more in depth. I would have had to get way deeper into this car. So that's why I'm doing it this way. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I will start fitting things together here shortly. So I have these 2 pieces roughly fit in place. They fit very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to set up our measuring system, and I'm gonna make some measurements. Check both these frame rails. I don't think they're moved, but I wanna check them. And then I think there's a couple points right here I could check as well. Then once I know this is sitting exactly where it's supposed to, I'll go ahead and get this piece welded in. Then I'll start doing the outer rail cap as well as the complete radiator support. So first I have to match the measuring system to the vehicle so it knows right where the vehicle's sitting. And I do that by going to 5 points in the center section of the vehicle, and that will match the vehicle to the measuring system. Now the measuring system knows where the car is sitting, so I can come up here to the front and I can check these front points and make sure they are all good. So everything is measuring out perfectly on this. Everything is within 2 millimeters. So this piece is ready to weld in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece welded in. And then once that's welded together, I will start prepping out this outer cap and get it fit up. And then I will get into my radiator support and get that going as well.